I call out the higher divine beings. I call out the heavenly beings. I call out my angels. I call out my guardian angel, the goddess within. I call out the fairy spirits around this butterfly sanctuary. As we are going to have our discussion for today, we need guidance, divine inspiration, divine insight, and clarity to understand our lesson, to be able to connect with our higher self, to be able to become one with our creator, to be able to become one with the universe. Hello, beautiful, wonderful, prettiful pearls. Welcome back. I am Frida. Today is about spending quality time in nature, having my tea, chit chats, and then catching the sunrise. Our discussion today is how to master the art of confidence, how to become more confident. Yeah, I really enjoy every bit of nature. I love nature. Nature is the only place I feel centered, I feel grounded, and I feel belonged. Yeah. So yeah, confidence. The art of confidence is acknowledging that you are enough, and then you are powerful, and you are important. Not feeling important than other people, but being wise enough and knowing that, and you have everything it takes, all it takes to go after whatever it is that you want, to be able to achieve whatever it is that you set your mind to, your goals, your objectives. Yeah, so basically, from my opinion, that is confidence. I am going to share with you some ways to be more confident. Number one is to learn more about yourself. The process of learning more about yourself, your quirkiness, your wittiness, your flaws, your insecurities, your strengths is a very important part of your life. You have to learn more about yourself to be able to develop your abilities, shape your insecurities, your quirkiness, and your flaws. Knowing yourself or learning more about yourself means spending quality time with yourself to get to explore your inner being, your core being, what moves you, what sparks you up, what lets you up, and what fills your energy reserves. So learning more about yourself will help you develop more, improve more, grow more, and then become your best possible version or your best self. Yes. The next step, number 2, to becoming more confidence is valuing yourself. Usually falling into a place of self value means pursuing your goals, pursuing your happiness, going after whatever it is that you want in life, letting go of whatever that doesn't serve you, doesn't serve your purpose, doesn't serve your best intentions, thinking positive, and also developing an attitude of gratitude all involves in valuing the self. But falling into a place of true self-value means that acknowledging that you are a soul. You are more than just this jacket. You are more than just your beautiful face or your beautiful body. Valuing yourself is acknowledging that you are a soul, and the soul can live or can exist in a multiverse or in a multi-dimensions at the same time. Even when you are no more in this earth, or when you are no more, your soul continues to live on and on and on and on for years. Therefore, acknowledging this, that you are a soul, that even after this human experience, you will continue to live on and on and on, will automatically place you in a feeling of valuing the self or self-value, hence enhancing your inner confidence, enhancing your confidence. Step number 3 to become more confidence of yourself is to have patience. Developing your confidence or becoming confidence or falling into the art of pure confidence isn't an overnight job. It isn't a one-day job. It takes working on yourself. It takes improving yourself. It takes developing yourself and growth in every aspect of your life to become confident. Yeah? You can't wake up on one day and go like, oh, I want to be confident today, and that's it. Confidence is doing, is making, is becoming, and is embodying. Yeah. You have to learn how to be confident. It has to become part of you, your everyday life, your everyday activities has to be infused with confidence. There shouldn't be certain times that you feel, oh, today I feel to be more confident than yesterday or than. No, you have to learn. It takes patience, takes working on yourself, developing yourself, and then embodying, falling into it, embodying and becoming confident. So take patience, have patience, and work on yourself. And trust me, as long as you have the zeal, as long as you want to be confident, you will become confidence. As long as you are working on yourself, you will become confident. Step number 4 to becoming more confidence is fake it till you make it. Because why not? Right? You have to fake it. Yeah. Even these celebrities, they do that all the time. You can't wake up and be confident every day. There are bad days, there are sad times. Yeah, so certain circumstances can, affect your confidence sometimes. But even Rihanna's and other people say that when they don't feel good of themselves, they fake that confidence. Yeah, so fake it till you make it. Faking it doesn't mean you are going to stand on top of other people and prove that you were better than them. But faking it means understanding that you are continually working on yourself. Therefore, you try to be, you try to become, you fake it as though you already are confident, and faking it automatically becomes your attitude, because it is going to be something that you practice every day. It is going to be something that you try to do every day. So automatically you trying, you faking it will become as it is. So fake it till you make it. Yes, I said what I said. Fake your confidence till you feel, you have that genuine feeling that you are confident. And when you finally become confident, it will just flow. It will just be easy like that, because you won't have to try or force it. You will just become and fall into a place of confidence. Number 5 is to use positive affirmations, daily positive affirmations. Yeah. Positive affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself in order to encourage yourself. Positive affirmations like, I am beautiful, I am wise, I am strong, I am confident, I am patient, I have the zeal to go after what it takes, I have the confidence to attract my desires. I have the power to do what it is that I like. I am happy. I am creative. I create my reality, and so on and so forth. So, using daily positive affirmations will help you become, because words are like spells. That's why we say spelling. It is automatically casting spells. So once you make it a habit, to recite these words, try to, stare at yourself in the mirror as you recite it, and try to do this every day, even times when you feel nervous, times, when you don't feel too good about yourself. You can resort to positive affirmations, and this will help you embody your confidence. The words that we say to ourselves and our thoughts automatically becomes our reality, whether you know or whether you like it or not. So speak positive words, think positive thoughts, because it becomes your reality. Therefore, using positive affirmations, reciting these positive words to yourself, to become more confidence. This will be the end of our discussion for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and I hope you will use one or two of these tips, these ideas to enhance your confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goddesses, always remember that your true beauty, your true power, your true essence, your true life, your true love, your true joy, your true happiness always comes from within. It always comes from your soul. See you next time. Bye.